This is Melody. She's 4 years old and she'll be my helper today. So I think we're about ready. So I'll start with the hello song. If you were here last week, see if you remember the words. It goes hello, 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 right? Okay. Sing it, Melody. Hello, hello. Welcome to our class today. Let's sing songs. Let's go start the class. Hurry! All right.
I need a staccato.
You even did a staccato. Staccato is nice and short like this. Staccato.
I can try.
Staccato. All right. I will.
That's my
do you want to
switch?
Okay, let's switch. She likes sitting on that side. Okay, so everybody has all your things ready? I'll flip the camera down so everyone can see what I have. We have a lot of things going on today. We have Play-Doh.
Yeah.
We have glue.
Play-Doh here.
Oh, I know. Melody loves Play-Doh. And we have, Play-Doh, pens, paper. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, everybody has all their paper ready. We're going to start with this one, the white paper.
Yeah.
And then on the top, it says whole note. Melody, can you say whole note?
Whole note.
So first thing we're going to do is get all the things ready. So let's get it all organized.
Okay.
First, we're
And
going
this will be the whole note.
Yeah, we're going to grab some Play-Doh out.
I want to grab it. I love Play-Doh.
Okay, so Melody, you can grab some, and then I'll grab some too then. So, everybody has their Play-Doh. We're going to flatten the Play-Doh up.
With a knife?
I'm going to flatten it with my hand, like that.
I will flatten it with a knife.
So, let's see. It's all flattened. And then we're going to grab our circle thing.
I already have it. A circle cap.
A circle cap. And if you guys want to chime in, you could always unmute yourself and talk to us too. So I flattened my Play-Doh, and then I'm going to make a circle. So Melody already got her first circle. We need 4 circles, okay?
Okay, 4 circles coming right up.
This is 1 circle.
And 2 circles.
Let's see if we could do. Oh, there's 1 circle.
And 2 circles.
So I'm going to put it right here under whole note.
Where does this one go?
It's a really fat one, Melody. Can you make it a little skinnier?
I can't.
Here, make another circle here. Is everybody making circles?
I pushed too hard, that's why.
So we're making circles, and we're going to learn a little bit about fractions today. I know you guys are all little young. Melody's 4 years old, but she understands the you guys can understand the idea. So that is another circle.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put a circle on each one, and then we're gonna glue it down.
Yeah. There. Glue it down.
Okay, make a couple more circles. It's okay. So I'll flatten it, Melody.
Thank you.
Is everybody making circles? We're making circles together.
Don't make too big.
So I'm flattening my Play-Doh. Let's make it really flat.
This is mine, but you made it.
Okay.
So it's yours and mine.
Yeah. Okay. So Melody's gonna make another circle, and I'm going to grab a pen. And so this is the paper. I want to make sure everybody can see. This one on the top is called a whole note. Can you say whole note?
Whole note.
Yeah, everybody can say whole note.
Whole note is
And then
when
I'll-
we hold.
Yeah, we hold it. So we're gonna write whole, W-H-O-L-E. Whole note. And this one is called half note. I'm just going to beautiful circle. Very good. Okay, do one more. One more. We have to do 4 circles.
4 circles, you said?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3,
4. One more.
4.
And this is called 8th note.
8 notes, you said?
Mm-hmm.
This one will be fun.
Okay, I just rewrote it so everybody can see what we're doing. You can rewrite it too. 1/4 note, 8th note.
Better.
So everybody has it, right?
Huh?
Whole
I
note.
found the treasure.
You found a treasure?
Yeah.
It's a bean. We're gonna use the bean later. So this is whole note, half note, quarter note, and eighth note. So we're going to start with...
I'm 4 years old. So
Oh, Kelly already got it. I see Kelly already has your different colored circles. Very good. Does everyone have their circles? I'm going to take your time, make sure everybody is the same.
I'm 4 years old, and these are 4 circles.
So we only need 4 circles, and then I'm going to hide the rest of it. I'm going to put it back away so it's not so messy.
Yeah, that's right.
Play-Doh is really fun.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put one on each side. So this is whole note. Okay, so whole note. Let me just clean that up. And then this is put one half note.
Okay, I will cut it.
So half note. Wait. Let's talk about it first. So whole note is one whole circuit. Yeah, you hold on to it. And then half note. We're going to hold on to it, but I don't think they understand what that means yet. So this is whole note. Everyone has a circle, but before we go, half note, we're going to cut it in half. So Melody, can you cut it in half? So down the middle. Good job. That is half note. Well, this is a half. So a whole note is 4 beats. So we're going to go whole note equals 4 beats. 4 beats. Yeah. I'm going to draw it in a different color too, so you can really see it. And then...
Too light.
Is it too light? Does everyone see it? I'm afraid it's going to fall over. So whole note is, do you see that little circle I drew? Is 4 beats. Now I'm going to flip it around. This is called a half note. And half note is 2 beats. So I'm going to draw it with the pink one. Do it. So that is a half note. Can Melody, you can draw one? So draw it on this side. You can draw like this and then with the circle. And this is called a half note. And half note is 2 beats. I'm going to write 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And then here I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put beans on them in a little bit.
When?
In a little bit. So look.
When? Oh, yeah.
So that's half note. It's 2 beats. So 2 half notes equal 1 whole note, right? Because look, this is the same size circle. 4, and then 2 plus 2 is what? Do you know what 2 plus 2 is?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
So we're going to go like this. So we're going to go half note plus half note equal 4 beats.
I hope it's not too bad.
So let's flip it around.
Flip it.
What's the first one called, Mummy? The big one. This one is called whole note. Can you say whole note? How long is a whole note?
4 beats.
Yeah, 4 beats. And then this
Are you
is
sure?
Whole note is 4 beats, and these are 2 half notes. Can you say half note?
Half note, Your Majesty.
Half note. All right, now we're going to do the next one, and these are called half because it's cut in half. Okay, so next one, let's put the circle on under quarter note. Can I fix your shoving?
It's super tough but hard.
Okay, put a circle right here. Put another circle here.
Yep.
So this time we're going to cut it one way and another way, and it's going to be in quarters. That's why it's called quarter note. Good job. And then one more way this way. Nice job. Very good. So these are called quarter notes. So I'm going to draw a quarter note first.
And then I do it?
So it's all filled in with the tail.
And
then do you want to do some here?
Yeah.
You could do some. So I'll do it nice and small.
I want to do it.
Okay. So we're going to do another one.
Another one?
Yeah, perfect. They're so little, but I don't know if they could see it. Just make it a little bigger. Just a little bigger. Those are called quarter notes. Okay. So this is called a quarter note.
I want to do.
Good. Okay, how many are there, Melody?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so 4 quarter notes equals how many beats?
4.
Yeah, so let's draw 4 quarter notes.
Like that.
1, 2, 3, 4. And then equals
1, 2,
3, 4. That is a whole note. So we're going to play them in a second too. Equals 4 beats.
Yep. Right, Mommy?
Let's flip it around. Does everyone have it?
Yeah, does everyone have it?
So that's a quarter note. Do you see a quarter note? There's 4 of them in a whole note. So 4 of them equal 1 whole note. Then the 2 half notes equal a whole note.
Oh, no.
Let me see. Does everyone show? I see Arias. Are you showing me? Okay. Oh, I see Grace. You're doing your circles. Very good. So I know we're going kind of fast, huh? We can go a little slower. So next is, I can leave it right here and also show you what they sound like. So a whole note is 4 beats. So we're going to do this. I'm going to just play it and you could hear the sound. You want to show? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a whole note. Half note. Show me a half note. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a half note. And then quarter note. Go 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 of them. 1, 1, 1, 1. Perfect. That is 4 quarter notes.
4 quarter notes?
Yeah, 4 quarter notes. Okay, so next, this is a fast one. This is called 8th note. So put the circle on.
8 notes.
Okay, put the circle on.
It's almost like counting 1, 2, 3,
4. Yeah, this is the 4th circle. So I'm going to cut it. Or you want to cut it?
I want to cut it.
Okay, cut it like that, and then I'll cut the last 2, okay? So cut it down the middle. And then, wait. See, it's not even. Make sure it's even. Because it's like cutting a pizza. You have to be very even. Right, there you go. Because they want them all.
To cut.
Okay. Wait, let me do it. There you go. Like that. And like that. And then right here together, okay? We want 8 slices. Boom. Boom.
So much.
Let's count them together. Let's see if there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Dot.
8 dots. I did dots, but then you. So an 8th note looks like this.
Okay.
So 1, 2.
I can do it.
You want to draw? So make sure you do a nice dot. And then keep going. Dot. And then with the tail. Keep going.
Why is there so much?
Dot. I know we do 8 of them. I'll do the rest. Like this. Dot with the tail. Dot with the tail. So those are called 8th notes.
Wow.
Whoa. Those are so many, right? So 8 of them are in 1 whole note. So 8 of these are in 1 whole note. Does it make sense? So these go really fast, right? Because whole note is, you hold it for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to draw them. So the 8th note, you could also connect it. So I'm going to connect them so it's easier to draw. You can do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 4 beats. So let's see if I could. There we go. Let's try playing them all one time, okay? So can everyone see? I'm scared it's gonna fall over. So whole note, half note, quarter note, 8th note. All right, we're going to start with whole note. One more time, Melody. Count to 4. Okay, so 1, 1. Hold it for 4 beats. Whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's whole note. Now we're going to do half note. 2 beats each. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a quarter note. So quarter note's 1 beat. I could write 1 here, so everybody knows 1 beat. 1, 1.
It
Okay,
looks like 7 without this line.
yeah, but they're seeing it upside down. You're right. I wrote it backwards. 1 beat. I was trying to write backwards, but I didn't know how to write backwards. 1 beat. And then this is 1 beat. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Show me 1. Quarter note. 1, 1, 1, 1 on the piano. 1, 1, 1, 1. Good job. So the 8th note, I'm going to play it really quickly because this one's really fast.
I want to do it.
But are you sure you know how? 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is my clapping. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, you want to try? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, that's 8th note. Can you say 8th note?
8th note.
8th note.
I
So
could
those
go
are
even
really
faster.
fast.
I could go even faster.
So do you guys understand? Whole note, you hold it, the whole thing. Half note, half of a whole. Quarter, these are quarter pieces. So this is called a quarter. Quarter is 4 slices.
Okay.
And 8th note is 8 of them in a whole note. Let me see if how's everyone's project doing? I could see everyone working really hard. Hi, Grace. Hi. How is everybody's project? Hi, Kaden. Hi, Jane. Hi, Grace. Hello. All right. Oh, good job, Grace. I see your circles. Very good. Nice job. All right, so I'm going to go back down here. I think we're all done with the whole note, half note, and then we're going to go to, let's see, which one should we do next? So we could do this one first. This one is where we're going to draw them together, or we can go to this one where we're going to count how long this whole note is. So this is kind of our key. So we're going to remember how long everything is. So let's go to whole note. This first one is called a whole note. Let's try drawing them together. I think Melody disappeared, so it will just be me. We're going to grab a pen. So this is called whole note. I'm going to write a whole note right above it so you could see. Whole note. And can someone tell me how long a whole note is? You guys can unmute yourself. Do you know how long a whole note is? I know, was it Caleb or Kaden? Someone know? Whole note is 4 beats long. So we're going to write 4 beats, but we're going to try drawing them first, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So this is called a whole note. Let me grab a different color. Let's use orange. And I'll just draw a whole note. This is a whole note. And then on the bottom, I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note. Whole note. Whole note. It's pretty easy, right? Whole note. And it's 4 beats long. All right? I'm going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll play it one more time on the piano. Whole note is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next one we're going to do is called a half note, right? What is this one called? Right here. That's called, Melody, pray back. Do you know what this is called? Half note.
Half note?
Mm-hmm. Half note.
I thought it was 2 beats.
It is 2 beats. So we're going to draw a half note. Do you want to try drawing? What color do you want to do? Do you want to use a blue or a purple or a yellow?
How about red?
Red? I don't know if I have red.
Just red.
Okay, you can use that one. I think that's orange.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, so draw a half note. And with the tail. 1. What half note has a tail, Melody? Remember that one? You just drew a whole note. That's half note. So write 1, 2. Okay, here, draw another one. Draw another half note. So circle with the tail is a half note. And then write 1, 2. And do you want me to do some or you got it? Good job. And then 1, 2. And then one more. This is called a half note. Good job. And I'll write half note here. Half. So that is whole note, half note. Half note's 2 beats.
I wanted.
Do you want a different color?
Yeah, I wanted to do rainbow.
I know. Let's do this one. So quarter note, draw a quarter note. So fill it in. And then put a tail. Beautiful. And put 1. That's it. And then put 1. Okay, make sure you just fill it all the way. And then one more. This is called a quarter note. And then put 1. Beautiful. That is called a quarter note, and it's 1 beat. The green ones. Quarter note. And then 8th note. Do you want to try 8th note with the tail?
Yeah.
So it looks like that. It's all filled in, and it has a tail. Yeah. But make sure your quarter note is not that way. You did it the wrong way. Okay, that's better. So I'll help you with this one. Tail, and then go down. Okay, try again. And the tail goes up. Yep. So if you want 2 of them, they look like that. That is 2 8th notes. Try drawing another one. Good job. So those are called 8th notes. So what I was saying is,
how about this note?
Yeah, I need to finish writing. You went so fast, Melody. This is called a quarter note. And this is called an 8th note. I'll just put a big 8, like 8th note, like that. So 8th note is really short, right? So 8th note is half a beat long. So I can just go half a beat. So when you count it, it's only half a beat long. So I'll just go like this. I know you don't understand it yet, but half a beat is just half. If this is one beat, you do half of it, half a beat long. So that's what I put, half a beat. And that's called an 8th note. Whole note, half note, quarter note, 8th note. And then this one is really, really fast. That is called a 16th note. 16
notes.
Yeah, so there's 16 slices in a whole note, but then it was going to be too hard to cut it, so I didn't cut it. But 16th note. So I'm going to write 16th note. Can you change the color? Pink?
I want to do it pink.
So this one, it looks like an 8th note, but it has 2 tails, right? Boom. Yeah, like that, kind of. That's good. Those are called 16th note. And then it goes up, 2 tails.
Why there's 2 tails?
But it's like this one. It's just connected like that. So I'll show you. Like this. Just 2 tails like that. You want to try again?
Like a F?
Oh, it's like an F almost, yeah. So this is called a 16th note, the pink one. So it's like an 8th note, but it has 2 tails at the end. And if you want to connect them, this is how you connect them. That's 4 16th notes, and that equals a quarter note. That's 2 8th notes and equals a quarter note. So, do you want to hear how fast all those notes? I'm going to do it one time, okay? How about you do whole? So we're going to try whole note first. 1, 2, this is my beat. Try again. 1. Okay, I'm gonna flip this around so like everyone can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. Now quarter note. 1, 1. Slower, slower. 1, 1, 1, 1. Eighth note. Da 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 da. Good job. And then now 16th note. I don't know if you can do it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's so fast, right? And that's called 16th note.
16th note.
So everybody hear it? So whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note, and 16th note. Okay, I'm going to put this under our Play-Doh.
Why under our Play-Doh? What is this going to be?
This one we're going to glue. I was going to glue
then
the beads.
why is this? Blue?
I think you did that, Melody.
Oh, that's right.
So this one wasn't supposed to be filled in. It's supposed to be like that. But Melody filled it in. So this one we're going to glue the beans on. You doesn't have to be beans. I just picked out white beans. But we're going to use the beans and then we're going to glue. So how long is a whole note? Melody, answer that first. Wait, you don't glue there yet. How long is a half note? Or whole note, whole note, whole note. Let's look at the whole note. How many beats is a whole note?
1, 2,
Look over here first, Melody.
4.
4 beats. So I'm going to put
4
dots. If you don't have beans, it's okay. I thought it would be fun to have beans, but you could, if you don't have beans, you can.
I could glue.
I'm just going to do this. 1 dot,
2
2
dot,
3
dot,
4
dots.
So we're going to put 4 beans there.
1 bean. 2 beans. 3 beans. 4 beans.
Good job. How long is a half note? I'm going to cross this out because you filled it in. How long is a half note? Look over here.
2, 1. 1, 2.
1, 2. So we're going to put 2 beats. 1 beat. 2 beat. That's it. So just put 2 beans. And I'll write the names right here again. This is called a whole note.
1,
Half note.
2.
Okay, let me just flip it around so everyone can see what we did.
I hope it won't slip
Whole
off.
note is 4 of those, right? And then, okay. And next is a quarter note. How many beats is a quarter note?
4.
4 of them equal 1 beat. So quarter note is, how many beats is a quarter note?
Which one is quarter note again?
The
1 beat.
1 beat. So we're going to put 1 right there.
1. 1, 2.
So quarter note.
1, 2.
Whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, 1, 2. Quarter note, 1 beat. And then I'm going to write quarter here. So I decided to use white beans because I'm thinking I'm going to have to, because it's going to be hard to cut it in half. So what I'm going to do is just put it right in the middle.
Put it right in the middle.
And then,
hey,
oh, you want to do it?
Now they're super little.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a marker, and I'll cut it in half in the middle. So this is, let's see if I could do it. I don't know if it's going to work. So it's half of a bean, okay? I'm trying to cut it in half with the marker. There. I don't know if it works, but at least you kind of understand. This is an 8th note right here. And this is an 8th note right here. Okay.
Don't draw it.
Do you see it? 2 of them equal 1 bean. So 2 8th notes equal 1 bean. And then we're going, do you remember what this is called, Melody?
No.
It's called an 8th note.
8th note?
So we're going to write 8th note. 8th note. And then we're going to do this one. So 8, and what number is this one, Moi? 16th. Yeah, this is 16th note. So these are the 16th note. I have no idea how I'm going to cut it in half. So we're going to just put 2 16th note on each side. So I'm going to cut this white bean in half again with the marker. Boop. This is going to be hard. I should have picked something bigger. Cut it in half. There. That's good enough.
You should have picked something bigger.
Yeah, I think so too.
Like a glue.
Mm-hmm.
But how would you pick a glue up, huh?
I don't know, Melody. So we're going to do 2 16th note here. Does that make sense? So this 2 8th notes equal a quarter note. This one is 4 16th note equal a quarter note. And that's 1 beat. Okay. Oh, Melody, we're out of time already. It's 11:46. All right. Do you want to play or do you want me to play the goodbye song?
How would you play?
All right, I'll play the goodbye song. All right. So our goodbye song goes like, goodbye,
Why are we
everybody.
already out of time?
I don't know. We went so fast. We did so much. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be a whole note if I held that long, right? All right, good job, everyone. I'll see you all next week. Bye.
Mommy, how are